Hello students, today I am here with a video to explain you a concept of editing, errors, omissions. We have done many grammar topics in English language. We have done nouns, we have done pronouns, we have done tenses, we have done articles, we have done determiners, we have done reported speech, we have done voice. We have done the all topics, sentences. Like I have given you a sentence to change in voice. I have given you a sentence to change in direct speech, indirect speech, fill the articles. But here, in this concept comes under the category of integrated exercises. Integrated exercises. Integrated exercises means something which is combined, something which is a mixture of many topics. So here in these kind of questions, your entire knowledge is checked. How your English is. Fine. What is your basic knowledge of English? These concepts will judge your basic knowledge of English, right from bottom to top. Editing is to make change. Change can be made in two ways, either by correcting the error or by adding something. Error correction is a kind of concept where you will be given a passage or you will be given the sentences. There will be an error in a sentence. You need to detect the error, means you need to detect incorrect word. Simultaneously, you need to mention the correct word for the same. So this is the concept of editing errors. Editing omission rather is a concept where you need to add something. Omission means something is missing. Missing is to be added. So there will be a column in the mid, missing, then before. What is before and what is after that? That I will let you know how to do that. First, we are coming on to the topic of incorrect and correct, means error corrections. Read the passage very carefully. I am reading for you. Once upon the time, a tortoise and a hare had an argument about who was fast, full stop. They decided to settle the argument for a race. Now it is in front of you, you can do it. But here I am telling you some techniques. Why I have made a special video? We all could do it, but the purpose of making it is to give you some techniques to find out. Check the tense. Fine. And one more thing, children. What children make a mistake in the paper, they consider something is misprinted. There is nothing misprinted, my dear. Everything is correct. Especially in these kind of questions. There is no misprinting of comma, full stop. Nothing is there. Whatever is given to you is given for correction. There will be no mistake of comma ever. There will be no mistake of capital letters. Do not take them out. There will be no mistake of full stop and all these things. Please do not take them out. First tip for you. Second thing, check the tense. Once upon a time, a tortoise and a hare had. Means which tense we are using? Past tense. First technique, I told you, no error of full stop, question mark, interrogative and all these things. Second tip, to check the tense. Tense is done. Find out the mistake in article if you could see. Once upon the time, a tortoise. There, what can you see here? Uses of article. So article the is used here. Article a is used here. Tortoise is okay. A tortoise. Once upon the time. Do we use the with the time? No. So here simply we can find out the is an error. Fine. Our first part is done. That incorrect thing is error is the. Now what children do, they start thinking the whole vocabulary they have in their mind to correct it with. No, it is wrong. The correct approach is the error is in the use of article. The correction will also be in the use of article. That's all. The is to be somewhere corrected with either a or an. Now look upon this. Once upon an time or once upon a time. It should be once upon a time. So correction is this. In paper, you will not write like this. In paper, you will just mention the as incorrect and correction will be mentioned as a. It's correct. This is for explanation part. A hare had a argument. Again, there can be a tense problem, there can be determiner problem, articles, whatever you can feel. Had a hare, it's okay. A argument. Again, there is a usage of article is missing. It's wrong. A. So a is error. We have got it. A again can be corrected by, because it is the error. An and the. So it will be here corrected by an. Correction will be an. about who was fast, they decided. Now can you see this fast? Don't you feel something missing? Like about who was fast. Fast is an adjective with positive degree. We cannot use this for comparison. But here there are two tortoise and here there must be a comparison. So this fast is mistake. If the mistake is in degree of adjective, we got it. So the correction will also be with degree of adjective. Do not try to find out with preposition conjunction. No, it's a wrong approach. Fast is the error. You have got it. So the correction can be either faster, like it can be either faster or fastest, because we don't have any other degree of comparison. So here comparison is between two, so faster is the correct one. Error is fast, correction is faster. Fine. Here, to settle the argument for a race. For a race, immediately when you will read, if you have the basic knowledge, you will come to know. For cannot be here. For is a preposition acting as a preposition here. So for is a mistake, can be corrected with number of preposition. Now here you have to think over it. Now to settle the argument, by a race, the correction will be by. Somewhere you have fixed number of corrections that I have told you the trick. Somewhere you have to go through with your knowledge. Fine. Passage number 2. In paper, what will you be doing? You will be writing it in the proper format as I am doing it here. I am doing again for you because maybe you do it wrong in paper. So I am writing the correct format for you all. In paper, these blanks will come. You will make a table in the answer sheet in the same pattern. You will fill the correct answers only. Incorrect was the correction is A. Here A is error, N is correction. Fast is error, faster is correction, and 4 is error, by is correction. That's all. In paper you will be doing this. That was for explanation. Now coming on to this topic, there is a second passage dealing with the second concept, omissions. I told you in omission there will be something missing. So definitely we need 2-3 columns. There are several reasons for headache. There are several reasons for headache. Did you feel something? Did something strike to your mind? There something is missing. There is a kind of thing which depends on the upcoming subject. Reasons are many. So there are. What is missing? R is missing. Now first you have to find out locating R. R is a missing word. R. Before R what is there? If you write R here, before R what is there? There. After R what is there? 7. So this is the way to write it down. R was missing in the first line. There are several. Okay. Physical, mental, emotional factors. Children will make a mistake definitely. I have selected this paragraph with a lot of thinking, like physical, mental, emotional. Children will feel that there is a comma will be missing. It's correct now? No. Physical, mental, emotional factors. Whenever we write the last factor, last point something, and 2 are already given with the respective of that, we always add and. We always add and. There is something which is missing here after mental. Mental and. And is missing before and there is mental. And after and there is emotional. So this mental and emotional is the answer. And was missing. In the third line, anxiety and tension are few. Now here there will be something which you have to take care of. Anxiety and tension are few. Are few. There is something which is you need to take care of. Are a few. A is missing before that. Before R is there and after a few is there. These two concepts are to be discussed. I'll be sharing you the worksheets with you, and in that worksheets you have to solve the concept of error correction also, omissions also. Okay. Please look at the video carefully, understand the concept. For your doubts you can comment, you can ask me anytime. I'm there for your help. All the very best. Thank you very much.